Welcome to Choice Champions. The Best Kids Scooter is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways for children aged 6 to 12 to explore their surroundings, offering a fantastic blend of outdoor fun, physical activity, and a sense of independence as they zip around parks, sidewalks, and backyards, making it an ideal gift that encourages active play and creates lasting memories. Number 5. PROGRACE Kids Underwater Action Camera. Engineered for fun, this waterproof action camera freezes perfect mid-air jumps and underwater discoveries in crisp detail. With fun frames, your child becomes the director, adding stickers to create and share their summer adventure stories. The ultimate digital camera for biking adventures. It easily mounts to bike handles to capture every trail in crisp 1080p video. Instantly replay the action, store hours of fun, and use color filters to style clips. This camera for kids is built for safe, independent discovery. Watch with a smile as your child focuses on capturing the world with a durable camera of their own. It's the gift that grows confidence and brings calm. More than just a toy, this shockproof and waterproof digital camera is their go-anywhere action gear. Built to capture the fun of beach swims, pool play, and muddy trail rides, it's designed to document an active childhood. Small hands, big features. This camera comes fully loaded with a 32GB SD card and waterproof case. Weighing less than a juice box, it's the most portable waterproof camera for kids, ready for any sport or trip without the bulk. See their face light up with excitement. This all-in-one adventure kit is the ultimate birthday or Christmas gift. Right out of the box, it sparks imagination, physical activity, and creativity. Watch them grow from a photographer to a storyteller with zoom, time-lapse, and burst mode. This digital camera for kids turns a day outdoors into a chance to learn patience, observation, and artistic skill. What we like. If you're looking for a way to capture your child's underwater adventures or outdoor fun, this is a fantastic choice. It encourages creativity and independent play without screen time. Its rugged, waterproof design makes it perfect for pool parties, beach days, and any active adventure. What people say. It is easy to connect to their bikes. It is waterproof and can go underwater. The focus and quality of the pictures are great. Number 4. FanttikRide C9 Apex Kids Electric Scooter. Introducing the FanttikRide C9 Apex, the electric scooter that turns every ride into a party. It features a built-in Bluetooth speaker so kids can play their favorite music. Plus, dazzling rainbow lights with 6 modes pulse to the beat, making rides fun and visible. This scooter offers 3 adjustable speed settings, 5, 8, or 10 miles per hour, to suit your child's comfort level. The LED display conveniently shows battery life, speed, and other essential information at a glance. Designed to adapt as your child grows, its handlebars adjust to 3 different heights. This ensures a comfortable and controlled ride for children aged 8 to 12, accommodating heights from 3.9 to 5.2 feet. Portability is key with this scooter. Its one-step folding system allows for quick setup and effortless storage, making it perfect for car trunks or public transport. Engineered for stability, it features 6 anti-skid rubber wheels for excellent traction. A rear fender brake provides reliable stopping power, and the motor activates with a simple G sensor and speed increase. Enjoy extended fun with up to 40 minutes of ride time on a single charge. It offers a 5-mile range, supporting riders up to 132 pounds, ensuring plenty of adventure. What we like. If your child loves music and lights while they ride, this scooter is a winner. It offers a fun, engaging experience with a built-in speaker and dynamic light modes. Its adjustable handlebars ensure it grows with your child, making it ideal for kids aged 8 to 12 who want a personalized and entertaining ride. What people say. The scooter is very easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. The LED lights on the wheels add a fun element and make the scooter visible at night. Number 3. LEFELWEL Kids Electric Scooter. Introducing the LEFELWEL Kids Electric Scooter, designed for endless fun and safe adventures for children aged 6 to 12. Get ready for exciting rides. This scooter features vibrant, colorful LED lights on the footboard and handlebars. They not only look cool but also enhance visibility for safer nighttime riding. With 3 adjustable speed settings, 4, 7, and 11 miles per hour, you can easily select the perfect pace for any rider and any situation. The LED display keeps you informed about speed, battery, and mode. Designed with your child's safety in mind, it features non-slip grips and pedals, solid tires, and reliable electronic and rear-wheel brakes for secure stopping power. This scooter is foldable and lightweight, making it incredibly portable. It's perfect for taking on the go or storing away neatly when not in use. It has passed UL 2272 certification and includes a safe non-zero start function, ensuring it only activates when you're ready to ride, preventing accidental starts. What we like. For parents prioritizing safety and fun with customizable speed options, this scooter is a great pick. The vibrant LED lights enhance visibility and add excitement to rides. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for families on the go or those with limited storage space. What people say. The rainbow LED lights make it stand out and the build quality is impressive too, sturdy frame, solid wheels, and a reliable kickstand. Safety is a top priority, and this scooter delivers. The brakes are responsive, the handlebar grip is comfortable, and the headlight adds visibility for evening rides. The speed settings make it much more safer for beginner and more fun for the older children, and the battery charges quickly and lasts through multiple daily rides around the park. Number 2. Hover, one vivid folding kick scooter for kids. Introducing a scooter designed for safe and enjoyable rides. Its easy lean-to-steer design and solid tires ensure a smooth journey for your child. This scooter is incredibly lightweight, making it easy for kids to handle and carry. The one-step folding system allows for effortless transport wherever you go. We prioritize safety with features like multicolor LED wheels for visibility. It's designed to be fun and secure for children aged 5 and up. The handlebar height can be easily adjusted to match your child's growth. Cushioned handles provide a comfortable and secure grip for every ride. Forget about charging hassles. This scooter runs on simple AAA batteries, so you can just replace them when needed and keep the fun going. Ideal for zipping around the neighborhood or for quick trips, this scooter is a fantastic Christmas or birthday gift for your kids. What we like. If you need a simple, lightweight scooter for younger children or for easy transport, consider this option. Its intuitive lean-to-steer mechanism is great for beginners. The battery-operated feature means no charging hassles, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures and kids who want to ride without waiting. What people say. The scooter is lightweight and easy for them to maneuver, and they've quickly mastered balancing, scooting around and stopping. The folding design is a major plus, it makes it super easy to store and transport. This scooter is smooth to ride on different surfaces, and the thick material and wide sturdy wheels makes it more stable and safer than other kick scooter. Number 1. ANHAO Kids Electric Scooter. Introducing the ANHAO electric scooter, designed for kids aged 6 to 10. It offers a fun and safe riding experience for your child. With 2 speed modes up to 6 miles per hour and a reliable foot brake, this scooter ensures safety. The motor only engages once they're moving, providing a secure start. Made with premium materials and a reinforced design, this scooter is built for durability. Assembly is quick and simple, so the fun can start right away. Featuring 4 adjustable height settings, it grows with your child and supports up to 110 pounds. It's perfect for kids up to 52 inches tall. The LED lights on the wheels and deck make riding exciting and visible, adding a splash of color and enhancing safety in low light. This scooter is a fantastic gift for birthdays or holidays. It's a reliable choice that brings joy and encourages active play. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable starter electric scooter with essential safety features, this is a solid choice. It offers controlled speeds and light-up wheels for added visibility and fun. Its adjustable height makes it suitable for a range of younger kids, ensuring a comfortable and safe introduction to electric scooters. What people say. This scooter is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for my 8-year-old who is just learning to ride. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour of continuous use on a single charge. The adjustable handlebar height makes it easy to customize for different sized children, ensuring a comfortable ride for years to come. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.